project a mini tiny little file folder, and I am going to show you that just in a minute. I just want to show you what Annelies sent me from CREALIES, and these lovely words in English set, and I love you, you and me, so, and wonderful memories and lovely moments. I hope, believe and dream. Always remember, and together forever. Perfect for using in albums, for put under your photos, or making nice cards, or every little sentiment you want to make with this. Perfect. Then she sent me also the alphabet in little, in the tiny one and in the big letter size ones. Really love it. I also have to play with it. That is the alphabet and the words. Then she sent me these 3 tiny little cute envelopes, the number 2, 3, 4. Really cute. I have played with this already, of course. And I also have this one, and that's a zipper thing, and I didn't use that in this little project, but I did use it on this card. I also showed you earlier. So when you cut this out and you open this up, you can see something underneath. So really cool. I had to try it out first before I am going to show you, but I totally forgot using it in this project. So yeah, sorry, but you know, you can see it, how it works. It really is very simple to use. Okay, that was for the dies. Then I used for this project, I used this paper from fabscraps. I won it last year ago, and now I finally got the time to play with it. And it's called Dream Steam, and it has many nice, they have 4 different designs, and each paper has 6 of them. And these cutouts are also in the kit, and I really love it. Really special steampunk, and then in nice pastel tint. So really love it, and I still have enough left over. So cute. So that is what I was using for this tiny mini folio. So let's zoom in a little, because it's really tiny. Let's zoom in. Okay, so this is my little folio what I have made, and this is the front, and it's really tiny. So let me see how tiny it is. It's 7.5 by 15 or 3 by 6 inches. So yeah, it's really tiny, and it's very nice, usable for a 6 by 6 paper pad. So this is the front. I just cut, I just used the tack, and I put on some black paper. I did put some cardstock chipboard between them, so it really pops a little up, not too much, but a little. As you can see, always dream. Those are the 2 first words I used. And this is the back, nice goldy. And on the back I used the alphabet letters, Scrap Queen. I thought it was nice to put on the back. And then we have a seam binding closure, and then this opens up like this, and then we can open this, and then we have 2 pages with 4 little photo mats. And in here I also use 2 words, believe and remember. And I put a little dots on each corner, so it really matches the paper line. Then this opens up, and here we used the little envelope, and I made a pocket out of it and put some little tack in. And I also cut out the words, but then in design paper, and that also looks amazing, I think. And then in here we made a pocket with the tag from the kit, and I made a little booklet in it with it. Then this goes to the left, lots of place, and here a belly band with a little tag in, and also I used a word, and this is together. And now for this side it's pretty much the same. Here I used the other envelope die, and I made also a little tiny booklet in it. Really like it, so you can write something sentiment in, and this one I used I hope. And then in here also a booklet made with the tag, and this nice pocket I decorate. And then in here also a belly band with just a tag in black. And that is it. So this closes down, and then this folds back in, and then all this can put back together with the ribbon. Let's see. There you go. And I hope you like it. It's a really nice tiny project you can make for a nice friend. You can put lots of nice things in. But for now it's already really thick because I used little envelopes. But if you don't use that in this project, then you have plenty of room to put photos in. So yeah, I hope it was a lovely thing to do together. So hope you enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't yet already, and I hope you liked it. So till next time, and don't forget to watch all the nice dies I used at www.crealies.nl. So I will put all the links below this video, so please check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.